slime play set. It has blue, pink, orange and green, red, yellow.
So 6 different types of
Slime.
Play-Doh. Let's see. What's it say over here? What's it say? It says slime, cloud, crackle, super stretch, and foam.
Okay, let's get to this.
Let's get to this.
You gonna a little help here?
I need a little help here.
This thing has rubber tape to get out.
All right, let's open this thing up. Oh, it is got a tight box. What the heck?
Oh.
And they make it to where you can't pull it out? Oh.
We shouldn't have just like smashed it right open.
Wait, hang on. I don't think they want you to have it.
Why?
Because you can't get it out of the box.
Ah.
There we go.
Yeah, we just had to look it on. So these are all the stuff.
That one's Super Cloud Slime.
Okay, we'll see.
This one's Crackle. This one's Slime. This is Foam. This is Super Stretch. And this one is Slime.
Hey, we'll just open, I think we'll open the red.
You want to open the red one?
Yeah, the cloud.
All right, let me get something for us to stick it on.
Yeah. Or we can just, and after we open all of them, we might do it all at the same time. We might open them all at the same time.
You're gonna mix them all together?
No, we're gonna see them all in a pattern.
In a pattern? All right, which one do you want to open first?
This one.
This one is Super Cloud.
Okay, let's see what's in it. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
How are we gonna put that? Dude, that was not what we were thinking. It would be like. Can we touch it?
Yeah, but it's don't.
Sticky.
Yeah, this one's not fun.
That was the slime that we tried to make.
Do you mean a red slime?
No,
Slime
that slime that we. That
Here, Landon.
cloud slime that we made.
This is called Cloud Slime.
It feels like
Evaluate the Cloud Slime. Tell us, what do you think of Cloud Slime?
not good.
It's not good?
No, really not good.
What's not good about it?
It's sticky.
It's sticky, isn't it?
Yes.
And it's not really...
Fun.
Oops.
Not fun to get it off.
No, it's not fun to get it off.
Now we gotta get this thing off, Dad. Dad, how are we gonna help? Let's help.
Okay,
cord.
so Cloud is got a residue that comes off on your hand,
Yeah,
and
but this is not fun at
it's
all.
not fun because it's, oh gosh,
It's like I'm bleeding.
it's like,
It's like blood. Do you
Okay.
think we should prank people with it?
no,
Why?
because we'll get it all over our hands and we'll never get it off. This stuff,
Really
this stuff
sticky.
is,
Sticky.
it's something else.
We shouldn't have opened.
It's a little bit.
We shouldn't have opened.
It's a little bit sticky, and it gives a residue. Look at the residue on your hand.
Yeah, I think we should maybe.
Okay, let's put.
Let's just open
So
this.
we think Super Cloud Slime is super messy and super.
Sticky.
We don't put it on the table, and it's got a residue on it that I've not known slime. Hang on. Not known slime to have before. So I'd have to say on the Cloud Slime, it's a big fat 0 on the cool scale. What do you think, Landon?
Yeah,
Okay. Next slime, which one?
this one. We're checking out the kinds
This
of
next
slime.
slime is, Play-Doh Slime Crackle.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what this thing looks like inside. Gosh, that is, oh, that's,
Hope this is more fun.
yeah.
I don't know. Pull it out.
Okay, I'm gonna have to. It's not sticky at all.
Let's show the. Let me see it. Let me show the camera real quick.
Look at
This
that.
is like got things in it. And it's like.
Yeah, I say
All right, here, Landon.
this thing does not.
Put your hand out.
Okay.
Get it into a. All right, crackle them.
It cracks like beans.
What do you? All right, so how's it feel?
Good.
Not sticky.
No. Stretchy. Really stretchy. Okay.
Does it crackle?
Yeah. Oh, crackle though.
There we go. Look. Oh no, we got red in it. Somewhere we had red still. So this has got little plastic beads in it. Oh gosh, and it leaves a residue too.
What's a residue?
On your hands.
Let's just see what this one is. Are you ready to see the second?
What's that one called?
Let's see. Oh yeah.
This one is slime crackle as well, but it's green.
Oh, it should be a green one. It's a slime crackle green. I told you now it's like it's like green tea.
It's like green tea?
Yeah. No, green tea.
Green tea.
Yeah. This looks
Alright.
like slime.
Scoop it out, put it in your hand.
Okay, let's get
Tell us what you think.
I think it's like the same kind. Let's get that out.
Scoop it out!
Take it off that. How do I? This thing's like super.
It's like goopy.
It's like slimy.
It's like goopy.
Ah.
Yum! I tried to get you out.
This is
Hey, look, it just
gross.
crackled.
It did it?
Yeah.
Whoa,
Can you hear that?
I can hear it.
Hey.
Hey,
Look at that.
hang on, don't fling it around. We don't
It's
want
like
to lose it.
spider webs.
It is. It's like spider webs. Look at that.
Ah, this one's. I think it's like stickier.
Hang on.
The other. The other one wasn't that sticky. But
Hang on. So this color is definitely cooler,
Yeah, it's like green light.
and it's definitely not
The
as
more you
sticky
stretch
as the
it, the
last
more
one.
it gets more lighter and lighter.
Mm-hmm.
So what's our second slime?
I think that's our. This is 3, so we're on our 4th slime.
This is our
Let me see.
fourth
Hang on. Let's see the name of it. It just says Play Doh Slime. So I bet you this is sticky.
I'm sure it's not.
You ready? I bet it is.
It's yellow, I
Don't
think.
touch anything.
It's yellow.
Here you go. Put your hands out. What? Won't come out.
I can help.
Come
here.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's like jiggly.
It's like regular slime.
Yeah. It doesn't. It's not that.
Squish it. We got a bubble.
Whoa, this one's not that sticky.
Oh, that's like regular slime right
No,
there.
just let me give it.
It's like regular
But
slime.
watch this.
Mmm.
It's like
It's regular slime.
It's like gold. It's literally. Oh, it's seeds.
That's my favorite so far. How about you?
Yeah. Do you think we can make it like
Make a
sticky?
here, no, what we can do though is I can make a snowman. So here's the bottom of the snowman.
And this is the
And
top.
here's the next of the snowman
No,
here.
give me that.
And then here's his head.
No, don't give
You
me.
killed my snowman.
Give me the slime back. Let's see the jiggly slime.
All right, so far that's the winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
Now it's to the pink.
And it's easy and it's clean.
It's
All right, so
time
the
for
pink
pink.
one, the pink one is super stretch slime.
Oh, it's gonna be super stretchy, I might think.
You don't think it's gonna be super stinky?
No, I think it's gonna be super
I
stretchy.
hope it's not super sticky.
And after that one, we gotta
Bleh.
do the
Bleh.
menus. Look, this is the blue.
Bleh.
Come on, let's just see how it's
Oh,
like.
blue bubble.
Come on, no,
Huh.
it's like the same. It's like
But it's
yellow.
not super stretchy. So,
Come on,
it's super stretchy.
No, let's get it. Let's make it wet.
In comparison, let's look at the regular slime. See, look, it wants to rip. That slime doesn't want to rip.
How about we squish it up and up
Doop, 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 doop.
It's like bubble gum on her hand. I made a hole in it. That's not your tongue,
Oh,
Dad.
okay. It's not?
Okay. Time for the second slime.
This would be our 5th slime.
This is going to be the most blue.
Oh.
We have the blue slime.
Hang on, I want more.
The best to make it.
Excuse you.
Okay, let's do the second.
Oh, that one's got plastic on it, so
We're gonna have
this is foam. Play Doh foam. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go.
Now we're gonna open it.
Can you open it?
And just wait a second.
Here you go. Want me to help you?
Yeah. This is the second.
Oh, goodness.
If I remember correctly,
Oh, my goodness. This is cool. Oh, that feels really good.
I know.
You can, like, make it into things.
How are we gonna pull the rest?
I made an alien head. Look. So there's
How are we gonna pull
look,
this
there's his
out?
mouth.
Can you help me get this all out? Look, I made an alien.
Oh, that feels good on my fingers.
Like, mushy.
Super smushy. Stretch it. See if it stretches.
It's a little tight. Stretch. I got you down. I got you down.
So that was the Play Doh Slime kit. Stretchy slime. We got slime. 2 things of crackle slime. One green and one orange. And then the cloud slime, which I think is made to ruin clothing.
And then the rock slime
This
is the rock.
is a moon rock.
No, it's a rock slime.
It's a rock slime.
Yeah, because it's hard like.
So is that the winner? Which one's the best one out of all of
I
them?
think this one's the best one.
Well, cool. You know what we should do?
What?
Mix them all together and see what happens.
Yeah.
No, we don't want to do that.
How about we all put them all next to each other? And here's your baby Yoda.
I want to play with slime too.
Ah,
I like slime. It's good. Right, Landon?
yeah.
It's me, Grogu.
How about I smash the slime?
We like to play with slime.
Yeah.
So come on back and hang out with us. Subscribe. Subscribe to us and say,
And hit the bell button.
hit the bell button. All right. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.